In this problem, we have two binomials that we are going to be multiplying by each other, and it can look a little intimidating, but guess what? If you did the last problem, or the last assignment, 14.1, you can do this as well. What we're going to do is we're going to go through the steps and then find out that we can combine this together and it's going to be okay. So don't get scared. First thing it says is change any minus signs. Well, when I look at this problem, x plus 4 times x plus 9, I don't see any minus signs. So step 1, done. That was supposed to cross that out. I tried. Step number 2 says break it into two parts. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, hey, I need to multiply x times this first. So I'm going to put an x, then I'm going to put my x plus 9. Okay, the second thing that I need to do is I need to take the second number, okay, and I'm going to multiply it by this parentheses. So basically we're saying, okay, let's take the first thing in the parentheses and multiply it by everything in the second one, and then take the second thing in the parentheses and times it by everything. So in this one I'm going to write my 4, and then I'm going to write my x plus 9. So now I have two distributive property problems. So next step, step 3 says distribute. X times x is x squared. X times 9 is 9x. Then I'm going to bring down my plus sign, and then 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 9 is 36. The next step, step 4, says to combine like terms. Well, there's nothing like that one. So guess what? That is part of my answer, and I'm just going to write it here, x squared. Next, I'm going to look here, and I've got these two x's here in the middle. So I have a 9x, and then I have an additional 4x's. If I take 9x and I add 4 more x's, I'm going to have 13 x's. And finally, down at the end of the problem, I have plus 36. I don't have any more constants in my problem, so I'm just going to write that as part of my answer. X squared plus 13x plus 36 is now my final answer.